you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. So today's video is my everyday makeup routine. It's very light, very simple, straight to the point, and I like how it turned out. It's cute. I like how it looks, so it's a statement. If you would like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So I've already did my eyebrows and I have concealed them. So I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. And I'm gonna prime my lids with this. And I'm gonna blend it out. And now I'm just gonna set my lids with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder. So I will not be doing no eyeshadow for today, and I'm not gonna do no wing liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm about to prime my face with this NIVEA cream. And I'm gonna take these two foundations and mix them together. Set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. That same e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. Conceal up under my eyes. Use my beauty blender to blend that out. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, because I learned when you let it sit, sometimes when you don't let it sit, it tends to move the product, but when you let it sit, it kind of like absorbs in your skin. Now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline New York concealer in the shade 40, and it's caramel, and I'm gonna highlight. And I'm just gonna blend it out. And I'm gonna take this blending brush and buff the edges. So now I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder, and I'm gonna use this to set all those places I use that lighter concealer. And to contour, I'm just gonna use this Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna use this brown shade to contour my nose. And to actually contour, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish, and this is Rich Ebony. And I'm gonna blend that out with this brush. Gonna add some Urban Decay mascara up under my eyes. And I'm gonna use this dark brown lip pencil to line my lips. And now I'm just gonna add some clear lip gloss. And I'm gonna spray my face with this Wet n Wild Cucumber Prep and Prime spray. Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on any products I use in this video, it will be in the description box down below. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. But I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.